Hi, Mark Rogers here. I've been serving retirees for the last 20 years and rural families as well. When I first started practice and helping folks so many years ago, I was independent. I became independent because I wanted to offer the best solutions that I can for my clients. With this, I'd like to go over a brief blog that just came out here. I wanted to share with you some of the key distinctions you would find between an independent agent and a captive agent. So we see there, when it comes to retirement, you have unique needs and objectives, right? And so with that, there's an entire marketplace available for you as to what options that would solve your situation the best, right? And so basically captive advice, then you know who the captive insurance companies that are captive are. They're going to work exclusively for one insurance company. They're going to be obliged to give business to only that company. Now, I will step in and say there are now some companies that are not going to do that. They will allow you to offer other companies, but at the same time, primarily pushing business towards one company. All right. And they're going to have an office allowance, benefits package, pension from the parent company. The parent company is really doing a lot of startup for these individuals too that are in the captive space. And the parent company can actually prohibit cross-selling other insurance companies that may fit better. And that becomes a challenge too. That's certainly why years ago I was recruited heavily by a couple companies, and that's not what I was going to do. I was not going to give up my freedom to provide clients with very good, solid solutions that are in the marketplace. And, a parent company pushes these certain policies, and for instance, if it's a whole life policy, they're going to push the whole life policy, and they're at the expense of maybe not pushing or not allowing other policies that may meet those needs. But getting down into the independent advice, why this is where we represent top-rated insurance companies to provide the best insurance products. There are a multitude of insurance companies out there, and they all come out with different nuances in their policies, and some have very, very nice features that you can't find other places. And I have the freedom to sell multiple carriers without quotas, and you provide their own. I provide my own resources, so I don't have someone paying my office, I don't have someone paying my utilities. I take care of that. I have the freedom to solve other problems too that clients may have, and we have the option to compare prices and products and features. I have certain engines, life insurance engines, and annuity engines, and Medicare engines, and I'm able to compare across different policies in light of that, and that is a very good thing that I have. So when it comes to the freedom of what you need, going with captive versus independent, well, that kind of says it all right there, of having the entire marketplace. And some would say, Mark, I am surprised that there's so many options out there. Yes, there are a lot of options out there. I happen to be enjoying my independence and helping clients along the way. And now, just to let you know, I'm also now helping clients in the claims process after being in the business for so many years. So it's been a privilege to serve clients, and I look forward to building relationships with new clients. And you can certainly reach me down below in the contact information, where if you would like to have a personal consultation over Zoom, over the phone, or in the office, happy to do that as well. And even build you that personal report to show multiple companies for whatever product you're looking for, whatever solution you're looking for, we can do that. So with that, I look forward to chatting with you very soon.